Hi, today I want to make cool crystals. So let's cut the green emerald open. We have some hot water here, and now we put some crystal powder in it. Now we stir it properly. Now I do the same with the other crystals. Now we add some rocks. I found some more rocks outside. So now let's put them in. Now I pour the crystal water over the stones. Now we do the same with the other ones. I have the leftover powder. Now I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the rocks. And stir it more. It's all colourful. It's red, yellow. It's the same colours but not in the right order. Oh, let's make a traffic light. Red. Yes, make it round. Red, yellow, green. Funny, because it's a traffic light colours. The crystal colours are the same. Oh my god, it will make a white crystal. It looks like normal water. I've got some white powder sprinkling. Let's see they're all good closely. My magnifying glass. Oh, it looks all good. I can see one really deep in there. All good. There's all fine. All the stones up top. Yes! Oh, this is cool. It looks so deep. But it's not. Ooh, I need a drink now. And a banana. Good, let's have. Yeah, they give you energy, don't they? Now we have to wait a couple days. Now I'm going to cover them and I will check them every day. Yeah, remember red, yellow and green. Traffic light colours. I'm really excited to see the crystals when they're done. The white crystals I don't think they'll grow much, but the others I will. The crystals, all of the crystals go hard, even the white one. Let's check tomorrow. It's now 3 days later. I want to check on my crystals. Oh, it's a little bit growing. Cool. Now let's check on the next one. Oh, it's kind of coming a crystal already. I can see some kind of sparkly things. Let's see the next one. Oh, the water is kind of watery. Let's see. A little bit of water and it's really good crystals. And the last one. I hope it will be good. Oh my god, I think I was right. It's already good. Look at that, everyone. Now I'm covering them up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we wait another week. See you in a week. Hi guys, it's now a week later. Let's have a look at the crystals. Ooh, I hope they look good. Oh, I thought it was a blue one, but it's a red one. Silly me. They're like raspberries or little tiny strawberries. Look at this one. It's like eyes and a face. It's eyes and a face. It's amazing. How did it grow that? I tried to get them out now. Whoa, this is really cool. It's even not cool, it's amazing. Look at the sparkles. It's really sparkly, look. Especially this one there. You know, on the back there, is that's sparkly. Let's look at the next one. Whoa, that's cool. Look at that. That is like so many eyes from an alien. Wow, look at that. This is really cool. A weird fairy. A nice boy fairy is nice. There's nice, but he looks weird. And he's magically making them into sparkly crystals. That's what I think. Let's see if we can get a traffic light with this other colour. I think it will get a traffic light. Let's open it. Yes, we made a traffic light. And they look cool. Ooh, we got a traffic light. Oh, sorry. In the wrong order, let's move them to the right order. And there, we put this neat. There we go, the traffic light. Look at cool, isn't it? Oopsie. Let's see if the white ones really worked. Some of them are good, a little is okay, and some of them are as not much. I'm so happy that they did work a bit. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, sparkly. If I could have took all of these out when I was an adult, I would be just so excited. And if I'm a proper scientist, so happy. Well, I think we made great crystals. See you in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.